Hello, welcome back to phonics. Today is day 2, and we are working in your My Word study book. So if you need to pause this and go and grab your book, go and do that. All right, and our focus is on building automaticity. All right, remember, we're working on spelling and reading these words fairly easily. We're going to practice so we can build our fluency. All right, so once you have this page, it's page 26 out in front of you, we're going to start by underlining the consonant LE syllable in each word. All right, so let me give you a few examples. Okay, remember, we're just looking at a syllable. So how about we start with uncle? Uncle. And do you see how the second syllable, the cl, C-L-E, that has a consonant, which is the C, and then it ends in L-E. So we can go ahead and circle, see if I can find a pencil here, go ahead and circle the C-L-E and in uncle. All right, let's find another one. You know, there's a lot of them here. What if we did middle? Middle. So dull at the end, the second syllable ends with a consonant L-E. All right, so that's one that we can circle as well. Okay, and then what if we do people? The word right next to it. People. You see how it has the consonant P and the L-E in there. All right, so we're looking at different sounds and ways of spelling when we're looking for those consonant L-E words. All right, so I helped you find 3. See if you can challenge yourself to find 3 more and circle those on your paper. All right, and just like we've done in the past, we're going to practice pronouncing each of these words. Okay, if you have someone with you, feel free to read to them. Okay, it's also okay just to say these words aloud to yourself. All right, and then hopefully you'll have someone that can time you on reading these words. We just want to practice how many words can we read in a minute. And if you'll notice at the bottom of your paper, there's 3 different spots that you can time yourself. Right? If you have someone else in your house that can time you and you read, that would be great. Okay, if you're by yourself, feel free to use your timer on the computer. You can set it for 1 minute. Read aloud as many words as you can. And then when the timer goes off, add up or count up the words that you were able to read in 1 minute. All right, I'm going to go ahead and read aloud the words that are below the gray line. If you'd like to stay and read those words with me, please do. Okay, if you're feeling fairly confident with reading this list, feel free to pause or to shut off this video. All right, so we're going to start. Okay, remember that thick gray line down the middle? All right, we're going to read the words below that gray line. And I'm going to start with example and read down. And then I'll move over to the next column and read down and continue on. And just follow along with me. Okay, you can even say the word with me if you would like. Example, bicycle, marketable, quadruple, enable, resemble, incurable, disabled, twinkle, wrinkled. Unstable, incredible, vehicle, resemble, disable, tricycle, incredible, Seattle, principles, squiggle, possible, Seattle, unforgettable, muscle, twinkle, example, unstable, possible, unavailable, and circle. Available, principles, timetable, biodegradable, thistle, marketable, vehicle, unforgettable, timetable, tabernacle. Encircle, squiggle, tabernacle, incurable, wrinkle, quadruple, muscle, enable, thistle, biodegradable. All right, fifth graders, go ahead, read these words all the way through at least one more time before you think about timing. All right, good luck.